If you're trying to figure out how to get ungated on Amazon, here's the first thing you should know. Ungating is not about finding a secret shortcut. It's about building an account that Amazon can trust. And I know that's way less exciting than 3 easy hacks to get everything unlocked overnight, but this is a lot more useful and you're way less likely to get in trouble. Ungating is Amazon's approval process for certain brands, products, categories, and even specific ASINs. When Amazon asks for approval, they're usually looking for certain trust signals. Can your account sell responsibly? Are your products authentic? Is your sourcing legitimate? Can your documentation back that up? That's the real game. A lot of sellers run into restrictions early on. They set up their professional account, maybe buy a sourcing tool, scan a book, maybe research some products online, and then suddenly it feels like everything is restricted. It usually means you just need to start with products you can sell, start building account activity, and then learn from what your account is showing you. Step 1, building account activity. For many new sellers, this is the BMVD category: books, video games, music, and DVDs. This can be a great starting point because inventory is lower cost and easier to practice with. You're not just trying to make one sale, you're learning how to scan, check restrictions, list and ship properly, and follow Amazon's policies. Step 2, check for restrictions before you buy. This is where Seller 365 tools can really come in handy, as they help reduce avoidable mistakes. In ScoutIQ or ScoutIQ 2, pair your Amazon professional seller account. This should be done first, so restriction checks reflect your account. Green means you're looking at an item that's profitable, that you can sell now. Orange means that it might be profitable, but also restricted, so slow down and evaluate first. Red means that it usually does not meet your buying criteria. The key is to not buy first and then ask approval questions. This is how inventory can just become decor. The same idea applies across the Seller 365 workflow. ScoutIQ can alert you to restrictions while you're outsourcing products on the go. ScoutX helps you research Amazon product pages directly from your browser. Tactical Arbitrage helps you find product opportunities online, but make sure to double check restrictions before you buy. Seller 365 can help you spot risk earlier, but it does not replace Amazon's approval process. Step 3, understand your documentation. If Amazon asks for an invoice, a retail receipt is usually not the same thing. An invoice from a supplier is usually stronger because it shows the supply chain. This includes who sold the product, who bought it, and what was purchased. Clean, readable, and consistent documentation gives Amazon fewer reasons to say no. So how do you get ungated selling on Amazon? Start with what you could sell, build account activity, check for restrictions, track to see what's open and what's restricted, and always apply using clean documentation. Ungating is not magic. It's preparation, activity, and trust, building one smart sourcing decision at a time.